Did you know 1 in 10 children suffer from a mental illness severe enough to cause some level of impairment? Fewer than 1 in 5 of these children receive treatment. Half of all lifetime cases of mental illness begin by age 14. For nearly 60 years, Our Lady of Peace has been there to help reclaim these young lives. Through a variety of innovative treatments, we've been able to rebuild families as they come to us at their times of need.
And when they come to Our Lady of Peace, they're scared, they're worried, they've beaten themselves up and their families up internally, leading up to finally getting treatment. And it's just very important that we reach out to them with care and understanding and love, and that's what we do here at Peace.
That sort of understanding and compassion is what brought Mindy Burton to the Children's Peace Center at Our Lady of Peace. Her 7-year-old son had ADHD and a mood disorder.
I couldn't imagine bringing my son, my little boy, to a mental facility. Because you don't want to think that, you just don't want to think that your child has a mental problem. Even though it's a chemical imbalance, it's a different thing. It is a mental issue, and it's something that they have to work on.
Mindy also couldn't imagine the tremendous resources that awaited her at Our Lady of Peace. Her son was evaluated, and a treatment plan was put in place with the goal of transitioning him back to his home. Mindy was able to take her son home after a short stay. She says he still has good and bad days, but the change has been dramatic.
They do absolutely incredibly amazing things here. The difference in my son, I had a brand new child when he came out. He was somebody I never knew that I could possibly have.
This care can be delivered through inpatient settings, such as the children's unit where Mindy's son was placed, or in the outpatient treatment programs where children receive intensive treatment during the day and go home at night. Either way, this can be a scary proposition for parents, but our staff is ready to help ease the transition into treatment.
My son is autistic. We tried many options trying to find somewhere that would take him and help treat him. The staff from top to bottom to everyone that I've dealt with has been great. He's come a long way since he's been down here.
This care helps prepare a young person to get back home and into their community. That was a scenario Melinda Richards thought she'd never see with her daughter. After years of acting out at school and home, the family finally sought treatment.
I tell people all about her experience because I feel like this is where hope started for her. I didn't know what to do with her. I was at my wit's end. I'd looked into lots of avenues, but nothing ever really came together. I never really knew how to help her get better.
Her daughter stayed at Our Lady of Peace for 4 weeks and was able to keep up with her studies through the Peace Academy. This on-site school, managed by the Jefferson County Public School System, prevents patients from falling behind in school. This helped Melinda's daughter transition back into the classroom after treatment, and the entire family continues on the road to renewal.
I'm not saying it's been a perfect path. It's not been a straight-up path. It's had lots of ups and downs and hills and valleys. But nothing like it's been like she'd had in the past.
At the heart of the Children's Peace Center at Our Lady of Peace is a professional, compassionate, and dedicated staff who stand ready to change lives.
They really feel a mission toward taking care of people who no one else wants to take care of.
It happened for Melinda Richards' daughter, and with continued support, it can happen for countless other kids in our area who so desperately need help.
I call her my miracle child, and I feel like it all started when I brought her here.